answer. And another question here. See, it is asking how much money does Mr. Das pay as a house rent? Okay, one has to be careful with this one. The house rent actually, I mean this word house rent which is given is actually in two parts here. Okay, one actually he is getting it in the as an income, house rent allowance, and there here again in the expenses also there is a house rent present here. Okay, one has to read it carefully. Which one are we talking of? We are talking of the house rent in the expense. Question is asking how much money does Mr. Das pay as an expense here, okay, for the house rent here. Please see here. For house rent here, how much is he paying here? Okay, 18% actually he is paying for this house rent. Okay, 18% of the total income right now. Okay. Okay, so exactly what are we supposed to calculate? It is equal to 18% of the total income here. Please mind it that total income which you are talking of, okay, it is again of two parts here. Correct? Now, what is that? It is this number here, that is 9228 here, plus that HRA. Okay, house rent allowance. How much is that house rent allowance? It is equal to 10% of how much? It is 9228 here. Okay, very simple. We can tell this one 9228 plus 10% of this one will equal how much? It is 110%. So what exactly are we calculating? Means it is 18% of how much? It is 110%. 110% of how much? It is 9228 here. This is what we are supposed to calculate here. Okay, let's do this one carefully here. Okay, 0 and 0 is getting cancelled. 18 into 11, 18 into 11, how much does it come? It is coming 198 right now. So here I could have said this one, it is 198, okay, into how much? It is 9228 here, divided by how much? It comes equal to 1000 here. Right now, let me observe this one carefully with an approximation. See here, this 198 which is there, can I tell it is very close to 200? Okay, and 200 divided by this 1000 here, I can tell, okay, 200 divided by 1000, it comes equal to how much? Okay, 1 by 5 here, right? So I can tell this one approximately actually, okay, approximately. So here I can tell this one, the value which I'm getting is approximately equal to how much? It is 9228 here, divided by how much? It is 5. Okay, remember this one, I'm taking this one 200 by 1000 is 1 by 5 here, so hence this one. So what is my correct answer? Means it should be lesser than it should be slightly lesser than this approximate value. Let me do. Okay, how much am I getting? 5 ones is 5 here, 4 here, 5 eights is 40 and 2, 5 fours is a 20 here, 5 fours and 2 here, 5 fives is a 25, 25, 26, 27, 28. So this is 6 here. Okay, 1845.6 here, like that I got it, the approximate value. So what should be my correct answer? It should be something slightly less than this one, 1845 here. Look at the options. Look at the options, slightly less than 1845 here. Okay, observe 1900s, no, 1700s, no, 1827. That's it. I can tell this one. Option A is the answer to this question. Of course, you could calculate. Okay, you could calculate this one. Okay, 198 into 9228 here divided by 100. It again comes very close to this 18. Okay, 1827. That is the answer. Okay, suppose, mind it, as in the previous question, had there been any option, none of this present here, then it requires you to actually calculate the correct value here and then find the correct answer there. Now,